Ever wondered how to crimp an RJ45 on a Cat5e cable? Well, wonder no more. This nifty skill can come in handy for a variety of situations, from setting up a home network to fixing a broken Ethernet connection. So, buckle up as we delve into the step-by-step process of crimping an RJ45 on a Cat5e cable. First things first, gather the necessary tools. You're going to need a crimping tool, a wire cutter or a sharp knife, and of course, your Cat5e cable and RJ45 connectors. Now, the adventure begins. Slice off about 1 inch from the outer jacket of the Cat5e cable using your wire cutter or knife. Be careful not to cut into the inner wires. You should see 4 twisted wire pairs, each with a different color: orange, green, blue, and brown. Untwist these pairs and straighten each wire out. Next, arrange the wires in a specific order from left to right. Start with the white-orange wire, then the orange one, followed by white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and finally the brown wire. This pattern follows the T568B wiring standard, commonly used in Ethernet cables. Now that you've got your wires in order, it's time to trim them down to the correct length. You want about ½ inch of wire sticking out from the outer jacket. This ensures a proper connection when you insert the wires into the RJ45 connector. With your wires neatly trimmed, slide them into the RJ45 connector. Make sure the gold pins face upwards and the clip side faces down. Push the wires all the way in, ensuring each wire fits into its individual channel and reaches the end of the connector. Finally, it's time for the moment of truth: crimping. Insert the RJ45 connector into the crimping tool slot and squeeze the handle firmly. This action pushes the gold pins down onto the wires, creating a solid connection. And voila! You've successfully crimped an RJ45 connector onto a Cat5e cable. To summarize, the process involves gathering your tools, stripping the cable, arranging and trimming the wires, inserting the wires into the RJ45 connector, and finally, crimping the connector. This skill might seem daunting at first, but with a bit of practice, you'll be a pro in no time. Remember, the key to a good crimp is ensuring each wire fits snugly into its channel in the RJ45 connector and reaches the end. So, the next time you need to fix up an Ethernet connection, why not give it a go? It's more fun than you might think.